Okay, let's look at our model. It's starting to look a bit more interesting, but let's add some detail to our pillars. Navigate to look under this near pillar, and we'll learn to edit it. Watch as I try to pull on these surfaces. Sketchup won't let me, and that's because I'm not actually editing the component. To edit this component, we need to double-click on it with the Select tool. A single click will select the component, but if we double-click, we see something different. A dotted line surrounding our pillar, and the rest of the model is faded out. Click outside of the component, and it closes again. Try this a few times. Double-click to edit this component, and click away to close it. Let's widen the base of our pillar, so double-click to edit, and make sure we see the dotted lines. And we'll try a new tool here, the Offset tool. With this tool, click once on the bottom surface and pull away to offset this entire shape. Now type 1 inch and press enter, then pull this new surface up 12 inches. As we've been working on this one pillar, you probably have noticed that the other pillars are also changing. Remember that we made this pillar a component, and that means that while we are editing one component, all similar components are affected. There is a lot of power in components, so you can look forward to learning more in later courses. For now, let's close this component if you haven't already, and we'll create the platform.